Hai semua, hari ini cikgu nak bincangkan bab tingkatan 3, bab 1, bab index, indices chapter in form 3 maths. Okay, so this is a very famous exam type questions where they want you to find the value of x. Bila dia kata selesaikan ni, maksud dia apa? Cari apa nilai x. Okay, so when they ask you to solve, that means they want you to find what is the value of x. The first rule for these kind of questions where there is an equal sign, that means this is an equation. Ini satu persamaan sebab ada simbol sama dengan. So pertama apa yang kamu kena lakukan, pertama sekali yang kamu kena lakukan ialah pastikan semua nombor asas dia sama. Sebab sekarang ni ada 64, 8, 4, right? So we have to make sure that everything is a common base, right? A similar base. So all 64, 8 and 4 can be converted into base 2. So contohnya 64 ni kita boleh tukar kepada 2 kuasa 6, right? 2 to the power of 6 gives me 64. 2 to the power of 3 gives me 8. And 2 to the power of 2 will give me 4. So semua nombor asas ni, 64, 8 dengan 4 ni kita kena tukarkan kepada asas 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now, this 64, I'm going to change it to 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so ini kita biarkan. Luar sekali ni ada x kan? So what you have to do, just rewrite the x outside. Okay, dan darab sama macam ikut soalan. 8 ni kita tukarkan sekarang kepada 2 kuasa 3. Change it to 2 cubes. Okay, so now this 2x kat luar, rewrite, tulis semula. Okay, equals, rewrite. 1 over 4 ni tukarkan kepada yang 4 tu, tukarkan kepada 1 per 4 tu tukar kepada 2 kuasa 2. The 4 change it to 2 square. Okay, so what have I done in this first line of working? I've changed all my base to base 2. Now the next thing is to get rid of the bracket. Keluarkan kurungan. Macam mana nak keluarkan kurungan? Nombor luar dan dalam kurungan ni mesti darab. Okay, kurungan bermakna kena darab. Alright, brackets means times. Also, I want to also do this. I want to take this denominator and raise it to the top. So let's see what do I get. So 2 to the power of 6 times x gives us 6x. Darab 2 kuasa 3 darab 2, 6x juga. Kemudian 2 kuasa 2 ni bila kita naikkan sebagai pengangka, okay, when we raise it as a numerator, it becomes a negative power. So negatif ni bermakna 1 per. Bermakna dulu ni negatif 2 ni kita dah naik ke atas. Okay, so bila naik ke atas mesti tambah negatif. Okay, so sekarang semua dah 2, betul? So the moment you see everything is already 2, you ignore the 2. So now, therefore, we are only going to take 6x and 6x. And sebab darab, kita kena tambahkan dia punya index. Betul tak? So 6x plus 6x is going to equal to negative 2. We just focus on this only the index. Ignore the base. Once the base is the same, ignore it. So 6x plus 6x sama dengan 12x. 12x sama dengan negative 2. So ini bermakna sekarang, untuk dapatkan x, negative 2 must divide with 12. So ini kita dapat negative 1 per 6. Inilah jawapan dia. Negative 1 per 6. So this is our final answer. Okay, so this is a very common question in exam. Practice questions like this, for sure guarantee akan keluar dalam peperiksaan soalan begini. Okay, alright, see you in the next one.